Do you know why Allah created the horse? So my friends, do you know why Allah created the horse? If you don't know, watch this video till the end and share it with others, and you will get a lot of reward. So my friends, the horse is the animal to which Allah Ta'ala has given the most honor among all animals, and every human being loves this animal. When all the animals were brought in front of Prophet Adam, he chose the horse. And Allah says in the Quran, وَالْخَيْلُ وَالْبِغَالُ وَالْحَمِيرُ لَتَرْكَبُوهَا وَزِينَةً وَيَخْلُقُ مَا لَا تَعْلَمُونَ. And he created horses, mules, and donkeys for you to ride, and as adornment. And he creates what you do not know. And Allah Ta'ala has given so much respect to this animal that even after the animal becomes halal, it is forbidden to eat it because of its honor and respect. And the animal that our Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, loved the most was the horse. Have you ever ridden a horse? If so, tell us in the comments.